AG Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool design here, and pretty much what this is a diffuser. If you can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for this one in particular it is a jasmine scent. So recently, ever since I got back from my trip in Japan, there was actually a lot of jasmine scented stuff, so I fell in love with jasmine even more. So this time when I came back, I saw that they actually have this available, so I wanted to actually get one of these and see how she smells and how well it does work. But pretty much how this works is very similar to another product I've viewed in the past, where there's like a glass bottle inside, and then there's these sticks that you can use, and the more you guys put inside, the more it smells stronger, and the fact that actually allow you guys to adjust it based on your own preference. And if you guys want to make it stronger, you can always buy more of the sticks or the reed. But this is what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the inside looks like, and then kind of test it out to see how well it does work. Alright, so let's open it up. Immediately once we open up, I can definitely smell the jasmine scent already. It smells pretty good. I do like it. And once you guys do take it out, here's what the bottle looks like. So when you guys do use it, you do want to handle it with care and try not to tilt it too much, otherwise the liquid will fall out. But I'm assuming inside right here we do have the solution or the formula inside with the jasmine scent. Because before even I put this on here, I can definitely smell it already. Let's open up and see what the inside smells like. It's really tight in there, which is good to prevent it from spilling when you guys do get it. Alright, so once you guys open it, it definitely has a really strong jasmine scent to it when you guys do open it. And they mentioned depending on how strong you guys want it, that is how you guys determine how many to add. If you guys want to be light, you guys can add 1 or 2. If you guys want to be moderate, you guys can add 3 to 5. If you guys want to be very strong, you guys can add 6 or more. So just for this test, I'll probably just add 2 to show you guys what she looks like and kind of test it out to see what she smells like. So literally all you can do is just insert 2 of them inside like this. And over time, as you guys leave it inside right here, whether if you guys leave it in your bathtub or your kitchen sink or even on your table like this, the smell will definitely get stronger and stronger. But even before I actually put it on here, I can definitely smell that strong jasmine scent that smells really good already. And supposedly the material that's on these sticks, it is a bamboo material, so it's very high quality and very eco-friendly. And I do feel like for this pot, it's actually very convenient, especially if you guys do have like a massage parlor or if you guys do have a spa. If you guys just leave this into like the restroom or even where the check-in desk is, it's actually pretty nice to give you guys that welcoming scent when you guys do walk in, which is really cool. But right now, as it's like soaking up, I can definitely smell it already, so I can definitely say that it's a pretty cool product already before even putting more. Obviously, if you guys want to be even more stronger, feel free to add more later. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality diffuser that's very similar to what you guys see right here. Whether if you guys want to use at home, in the office, or at a spa, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.